I'm starting the year a little sick, but full of good will and resolutions. It's the first time of the year I'm alone. My family visited me in Hamburg for the first 4 days of the year, so I was not vlogging that much actually. I was just enjoying the moment. And I'm back now, back vlogging. I have to edit so many vlogs. I am so lazy. I'm so busy. And yeah, so I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be. I don't know if I'm gonna do something themed. I don't know if I'm just gonna do like a live catch up or whatever. But yeah, it's my first time going to the office because I have to do admin stuff yet again. I could stay home cozy, but I can't. I have to go and face the snow. And yes, it's time to go. I'm gonna be late if I don't go now. That is the vibe for today. I'm just trying to be warm, to be honest. But I know a few weeks ago, even maybe a few months, Instagram, when I logged in, asked me that if I wanted to keep using the app for free or something like this, that I was like to allow to have more ads. So I'm working from my new office because I'm working for now 50-50 for 2 agencies. A mess. Anyway, they have this entire building like in front of each. Maybe it's something common, but we didn't have it in my other agency. But they have like a little screen in front of each of the little rooms, so you can see who's in there, who booked it, and everything. I love it. I love it. And when you're done early, you can go out and press that you're finished. And it's giving me so much happiness to press that button. I feel so important. I feel like I am a real big ass businesswoman. When all I do is talk about social media. But anyway, loving it. Loving it. I'm sick to death though. I was like sniffing my whole presentation. It went great. People said it was nice. So for my first project of the year, I will attempt to do this pattern from Cosmodi, I don't know how to pronounce it, with acrylic. I don't have the one she says. I just want to make a test, and then if I manage to do it, then I probably will do like in the proper fabric. It's midnight, and that's what I did so far. So I did the base rectangle, and then I have to keep on doing. Let me check the pattern. My tablet turned off, so I'm on my phone. But oops. And then I have to add all of those rows around the little rectangle. And then yeah, I'll see you back tomorrow or another day to see how I progress with it. Hello. I had quite a slow Sunday. I woke up really late. I woke up like at 5, like 2:45. Maybe I was just catching all the sleep from the holiday period and stuff like this. But yeah, I got up, I just showered, and now I'm going to tidy and just like get ready for the week. I want something really chill. I did most of my hard stuff yesterday, so the accounts and tidying and stuff. So now I'm just folding my clothes. Yeah, I'm doing my nails. I need nothing too crazy. I might take off my hair, my braids this evening as well. Just really cozy. First Sunday of the year. Just yeah, enjoying the. Until it goes back to reality, like real. So yeah, that's it for me. Hey guys, it's Monday. So far so good. As you can imagine, I'm all in that new year, new me type of thingy. I'm starting to journal, and I have a bunch of goals that I really want to do this year. For real. One of them is to drink more water. I don't know if you can see properly, but you have every 2 hours a line and you're supposed to drink throughout the day. It's already 12:30. And you can see I haven't drank anything from today, but I'm just gonna down this until 1 p.m. while I eat lunch. And then I'll try to catch up my 2 hours drinks. Of course, you can drink outside of it. It's just kind of to ensure that you have the minimum required, but then you can drink how much you want from any other stuff. Today, I think I'll try to go to either the gym or a dance class. I don't know which one yet. I might do dance because it's funnier, but gym because I just want to, you know, to detox my unworked out body. Before going to the dance class, like in 1 hour-ish, I want to make myself a little snack. Do I take a voice when I film? I have the feeling sometimes that I'm taking a voice. Anyway, I'm going for the easy road. I'm just gonna take milk bread, milky bread, pain au lait, milk broodje, cheese, and prosciutto. And I make like maybe 2 small sandwiches before I go, and then maybe I just crochet a bit, just chill, calm down, and then I will go to the dance class. Days like today are my favorite days. It's like crispy cold and so sunny. I love it. Look what she's making me do. Bye. Wait, I wanted to. Oh no. I wanted to film the sunset. Look at this. Since I have to juggle between 2 offices, I'm going to the office twice a week. One is close, the other one is a bit further. So I take 1 hour to get there. But fun, it makes me go up. So I like it. I think the only New Year's resolution I managed to do so far was doing the dishes before I go to bed. It's so nice just to come to a clean kitchen, and I really enjoy it.
Oh, yum. We'll take 3.
Criticizing me? Is this really how you want to start the day?
My day started 5 hours. Alone at last.
Just an exhibit, like to show our photos.
Is it something that we should...
I'm really afraid. I feel like it's gonna. Right now, if I take off the rest, I do look like Louis the 14th.
You now have the opportunity to split one of these couples up. And
So I don't know.
any of the girls
I might have to stay with my hair tied up for a whole month. Guys, I think it's one of my worst. It's one of my worst.
It's half of the month already. Let's have a mini retrospective on how it's going so far. Yeah. Of course, the day right after I do my braids, it's snowing.
I would say I'm 3/4 done. I just wanted to rep my t-shirt, my football jersey, because you know I'm a famous sporty girl. Let's go Lions! That was the widest thing I've ever done. Turn side because the light is coming that way. But I'm still struggling with my camera settings. I'm not the best at this. So today is Wednesday. I'm home officing. I wanted to go to the office this morning, but it's just too far away. That new office is just too far away. So I'm home officing right now. A bunch of calls. Still super stressed because I have to have my head in 2 places, kind of. That's a bit tricky. Also, now that I have like the low ponytail, like I don't have as much puff around my face, so I can actually wear that the way it was intended. Of course, the face ribbing is still missing, but you already have a bit more of a vision. It really looks like a hood, like the hood from something. So I think it looks cool. What do we think? I don't have the knife.
Tell me, do you think we're ever gonna make it? Tell me, does it feel you have to let me go? Let me go. I feel you're on the verge of breaking down at any minute.
Phew, the week is over. Sunday is almost done. My girls, my friend that came from my high school friends that came to visit me, went back home this afternoon, and I spent the majority of the evening finishing one of my projects. So it's my 3rd of the year so far. I did a little like wool beanie, like a vibrant blue beanie, and now I am doing like a baklava made of granny square. This is the pattern I chose, and then I'm gonna have to join the granny squares, and I would join them with black. So that's what I'm working on. I'm doing mine first so I can check the size, because I'm supposed to do one for Luca, and check the size. If it fits him, then I will do the same amount of squares and like the same size of squares for him. Otherwise I have to do more. But yeah, other than that, I think I'm gonna edit a bit, and I'm gonna close this vlog for today. That was fun. Bye. Oh wow, I'm zoomed. I'm sorry, that was on purpose. Alright.